Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2018 Yamaha MT-07. This twin-cylinder 700 fuel injected just arrived with only 5,400 miles. Beautiful showroom condition, ABS brakes. Come on by and take this badass motorcycle home. This thing is in really cool, looks beautiful. Come on by, make this MT-07 yours for only $74.99. We have financing, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.